guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, today's topic is all about how can you spend your time more productively and efficiently, and rather than just scrolling on YouTube and Instagram and going through all social media platforms. So there are pretty much ways, and but I would like to remind you that it pretty much decreases your attention span a lot and affects your routine, your lifestyle, and moreover, but obviously, attention span is less, it's moreover affects your productivity. And we all know that, we there is a thin line between knowing and realizing things. And yeah, I realized that it pretty much affected my lifestyle, my routines, and my productivity. So I pretty much decreased using or decreased the time I time in kind of school on YouTube. So there are pretty much ways which you can kind of an average student out there struggling with productivity. So yeah, there are pretty much ways you can kind of increase your attention span, as well as pass your time more productively whenever kind of you can't be just studying all day and night. Because yeah, I know it's not fun way, but whenever you are just having a leisure time or just doing nothing, so rather than just doing, you can, the first method I would say, solve a Rubik's cube. And people out there who know to solve a Rubik's cube, it's great, it's cool. And just time yourself and just solve a Rubik's cube. And I don't know solve. I would accept that I don't know how to solve Rubik's cube, but whenever it's on my table, I just go on twisting the cube, and maybe it's a good way to pass your time. And also, learning new things is also a good thing, but I'm pretty much not interested in Rubik's cube. And people out there, or even I would accept myself that I'm kind of, it's not fun to learn new things. So we are already, as a student, I'm already in front of books, and kind of the schedule is packed and nothing to do, things to do. And pretty much many students out there suffering with this thing, just boredom. And so just to tackle that, the second method I would say is this hand gripper. People out there, all the gym guys and people like me who are interested, all the guys are interested, majority of them are interested in building bodybuilding or having a good physique. And yeah, pretty much forearms, veiny hands. And yeah, so I like this a lot. And I would say all the guys, I would recommend that just go buy a hand gripper and yeah, do a workout session with this. It's a good thing. And this is the first thing I like this thing a lot. And second, many people wouldn't agree with me, but yeah, this is the second thing I like a lot, is like journaling or writing a diary. Noting your days or planning out things with, or writing down things for the next day's plan, all the things, your goals. And I pretty much discussed a lot of things about writing a diary. And this is the second thing I like a lot. Pretty much people don't agree with this, but yeah, I guess this helps a lot. And pretty much fair. So I was searching for my notepad, and yeah, these things are kind of same, but this is more easier to write down things. And pretty much just open it, and because it's your personal thing, so you wouldn't like people seeing you writing these things. And I would say this is another thing, you can just note down things or quotes and many things. Or I would say this is just same. So I like a lot journaling and writing diaries. So another thing I would recommend is reading books. And yeah, pretty much you saw the book I'm reading right now. Yeah, and reading helps a lot, and I've experienced it. Pretty much improves your attention span, improves your vocabulary. And there are no flashing images, and kind of, I would say, vibrant colors which attract your brain or crave your brain to see the screen, but only black and white picture. It contains pictures, by the way, but also moreover, black and white lines going through helps a lot, I would say. And yeah, listening to music is another way of, it's a good way, I would say, because it's better than scrolling. And I would say don't go for music videos, or just listen to it, no saying no pictures or no colors or not seeing any videos or music videos out there, and just listening to music, and that's a good thing. And these are pretty much things you can do in your free time. And also I would like to add that this is, I wouldn't recommend this method, but I'm kind of inquisitive and I'm more of interested. I was just going through the increasing your grip or grip strength type of thing. So increasing your grip strength are all included dead hangs and um, pull-ups. So and also many other like grains of rice and going through. So these are pretty much used for increasing your grip. But I just ran into a tough type of resin based. It's more of a used by kind of people out there, rock climbers, and moreover also runners, arm wrestling people who arm wrestle, and so it pretty much increases your grip. And so I just went out on other search engines and pretty much searched the ingredients, and I guess I can make it at home. I don't know it's a good idea, or I mean it's a good idea or not. I don't know anything about that. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And but I'll be updating you on how can you make it at home. But let's see if I can. And pretty much I'll be updating about you about these things on in my next video. And do let me your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned and keep working hard.